The First Access Visa card is aimed at people with poor or limited credit who want to rebuild their credit history but cannot or do not want to put down a security deposit. It is an unsecured credit card, meaning approval does not require upfront collateral, and it does report your payment history to all three major credit bureaus. That means, with consistent on-time payments, it can help improve your credit score. It even offers 1% cash back on all purchases, which is unusual for a card in this category, and the online application is quick. Many applicants get a decision in under a minute. The main drawback is cost. Opening the account comes with a $95 one-time program fee, followed by a $75 annual fee in the first year and $48 each year after. Once you reach the second year, a monthly servicing fee of $8.25 kicks in, adding up to $99 annually on top of the annual fee. The starting credit limit is usually only $300, and fees immediately eat into that. If your limit increases after the first year, you will be charged a hefty 25% of the increased amount as a fee. Add in a sky-high APR of around 35.99%, and carrying a balance becomes extremely expensive. There are also extra charges for things like custom card designs, expedited shipping, and late payments. In short, the First Access Visa card can help build credit if absolutely no other unsecured options are available. It does its job in reporting to the bureaus and offers a small rewards perk, but the avalanche of fees and high interest rate make it one of the priciest ways to improve credit. Anyone considering this card should have a plan to pay balances in full each month and compare it carefully against secured credit cards, which often cost less and offer similar or better credit building benefits with far fewer financial risks.